Molten Muffin Baking Show. Today we're going to be taking chocolate chips and making chocolate muffins. Here I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. Chocolate chips have, well, different kinds. There are dark chocolate chips and there are semi-sweet and even more milk chocolate. And each one of these has a different melting point. The melting point of chocolate ranges from about 85 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to about 130 for the really dark stuff. So that would be about 30 to 55 degrees Celsius. What you'll notice about this chocolate is this chocolate has a high viscosity. Viscosity means the thickness of the liquid. So it doesn't flow very easily. If you wanted to make it thinner, if you want to do something like a chocolate fountain, for example, you would add some kind of an oil to it. It also makes it melt easier, and it makes it more fluid and doesn't even harden as well. So you could add oils to it, and if you're microwaving it or cooking it some other way, you might want to add some kind of oil in order to reduce the risk of burning. Now I'm just using a double boiler here, and that works out pretty good. Now, when I'm done melting it, it is still fairly viscous, so I kind of push it in there into these silicone muffin cups, and I'm letting it kind of cool down. So I'm going to take it and put it into a freezer, which will allow it to cool down, and then pop it right back out a little while later. And there you can see I am now taking these muffins out of taking the chocolate out of the muffins and putting them on the plate. At this point, I have these chocolate muffins. They are beautiful and tasty. So, this is molten chocolate muffins. Thanks for watching.